Hey guys, Warden of Secrets here. Welcome to my 5th tutorial, the Infinity Extended. If you don't know how to do the Infinity Normal yet, you go ahead and check that out first. I have made a tutorial, #4 I think, about the Infinity, which you of course have to know for this one. And if you know it already, let's go. So you have the pen like this. You swing it down with the momentum of your wrist. So you have it like this. Then what you usually would do is turn it like this and lift it up into your hand, but you don't do that. You just leave it like this and you push it up with your middle finger. So push the pen up. So he is right here. But of course you have to use the momentum of your hand. I do it like this, so the pen wants to do this motion. He wants to go in this circle. So do it and the pen will automatically go here. But of course you have to turn your hand palm up, palm down I mean. Turn your hand palm down and the pen is right here. And what he wants to do is go here now. But for that you have to lower your middle finger. So your index is on the top. I'll revise it for you again. You're here, push it up and palm down. Then you let the pen go around that gap and go here. And you let the pen come down and make a little circle and lift it up like the Infinity Normal. So again, you swing it down, you have it here, you push it up with your palm down. You let it go around here and let it fall down, make a little circle while you change your position of your fingers and lift the pen back up. So that's basically it. If you do it slowly. And just practice a bit and it will become faster and faster. And what you can do now, if you've learned the trick already, you can make a normal infinity, like this, like always, and just change between infinity and infinity extended. For example, I can do 2 times normal infinity and 2 times infinity extended, or however I want. So practice that, and I'll see you in the next video with the fingerless figure 8. Which has 2 fingers required, although it's called fingerless because you don't really use your fingers but your wrist. So see you in this video and bye.